Topcon played an important role at Washington, D.C.'s Dulles International Airport, where Lane Construction chose millimeter GPS for several phases of the job. Moving away from string lines provided much greater productivity. On taxiways with their multiple contours or breakpoints, moving string lines becomes a significant source of delay to the operation.
We used to have to put up 100 grade stakes down through here every 25 feet to pull strings and check the grades. Now we're down to just setting up 2 stakes with a control point. It's going to give me a set elevation and location. I'll relay that information over to the machine, which then tells my machine its location and elevation.
The contractor used Topcon's PZL-1, set up on 2 out of 5 surveyed control points to augment GPS vertical position to millimeter accuracy.
I feel we can get it a lot closer than we can manually, so to speak. Second thing I would say is quantity-wise, we're averaging around 2,500 to 3,000 ton a day of cement treated, and that's in a 10 to 11-hour day.
Lane Construction saved time, material, and crew in every phase and achieved superior results.